Hey guys, Tim Pritchett here, McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, your dealer for the people. And I want to do a quick how-to video for you on this 2019 Chevy Blazer, and I wanted to show you the unlock system. So basically, as long as you have the keys on your person, in your pocket, or ladies in your purse, this vehicle has got buttons on all four doors. So basically what you want to do is hit this button one time and unlocks the driver's side door. You're gonna hit it two times and then it will unlock all four doors for you. So that is a safety feature that they've put on these vehicles here. So basically, just you want to shut them up, and you can also lock it from these buttons here. So it'll lock it up for you. So really cool feature that they've put on these awesome vehicles. Give me a call here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, 903-374-0217. And again, ask for Tim. Thank you.